It seems like the conference is very well managed, and I like the people who are actually here. They are all technical savvy. They want to have new opportunities in technology and application of it. The one thing which I like most is the conducive environment by which we are able to talk to people and bring out new ideas from them. Yeah, I guess this kind of biggest takeaway is that everybody is actually suffering from the same thing. Right, and we have to make sure that we become friends in misery. We should make sure that we should share our knowledge and share our experience to other benefits and learning, and that's kind of my takeaway from that. My one message is let's not put all our eggs in one basket. Let's not say one thing is going to solve everything. AI is not a solution to the problem, but it's a tool to the solution. And we should, similarly for any technology, we should actually think about how to create tooling, how to create and purpose, and make sure that we are able to change when new things come. So same thing like what we started with ML AI, now we are thinking about Gen AI. What will be the next part? So we should be always ready, and that's the kind of what I can feel. That's a good message.